Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to review a GameFi token that just launched called PIKAMOON. So looking at CoinMarketCap, you can see that PIKAMOON is sitting at 0.002 cents. It has just launched. I think it's maybe like 2 weeks old. The max supply is sitting at around 50 billion tokens, which is a nice number. Let's take a look at their website to find out a little bit more about the project. Amidst the relatively barren Web3 gaming landscape, a fresh wave of innovative NFT games have surfaced, finally giving players a chance to earn money while playing their favorite games. GameFi, as it has come to be known, now extends beyond the mere collection of scarce collectibles. As per 2004, it now allows players to explore diverse gaming models, all of which encompass various avenues for gamers to truly own their in-game assets. NFTs are a new genre of video games that incorporate non-fungible tokens, NFTs, into their game mechanics, creating a bridge between real and virtual worlds. Unlike traditional games, NFT games operate under specific rules dictated by smart contracts. These self-executing pieces of code stored on a blockchain govern the implementation, creation, and exchange of NFTs within the gaming environment. These smart contracts ensure transparency, security, and integrity to ultimately establish a trustworthy framework for players. So what this basically means is nowadays when people play online games, they typically trade items, or there's very specific items that you only unlock on certain levels, or you accomplish a certain thing and get certain items which make certain items rarer than others. And in order to basically make them unique to the player, basically saying, let's say you got like a super cool potion, how would I know that you own that potion and it's not just a copy, right? You would make that into NFT, a non-fungible token, and let's say, you have a really rare potion that you want to sell to somebody, then you could trade that NFT in-game or on a marketplace to other players for other in-game items or money. Play to earn NFT games are a type of online games where players can earn NFTs by completing in-game tasks. These tasks can range from defeating player versus player enemies to completing quests or achieving certain milestones within the game. Players also have an option to stake cryptocurrencies within the game, which can lead to an earning of additional NFTs or other in-game rewards. So PIKAMOON is one of those games, those NFT games that basically gives the player the ability to earn real-world money using in-game assets. And they allow players to do that using the NFTs, whether it be skins or characters or weapons or whatever it is. Players could earn real-world assets and trade amongst themselves in-game and on the marketplace. By owning a team of PIKAMOON NFT, players can uncover unique species and hidden gems whilst pitting them in an online battle to earn its native PIKA token. Although winners get a bigger share of PIKA prize pool, on offer everyone gets rewards just for playing. PIKAMOON offers various game modes including online players, offline modes, pink slips, campaign mode, and free roaming. If you invest $300 in PIKA, you will get valuable PIKA tokens and a free PIKAMOON NFT. The key to actually playing the game. These NFTs are already showing promise with one-to-one returns or even potentially profit of $10,000 plus if you land one of the 18 God Pokemoons. So these are some of the NFTs that are coming out, some of the God NFTs. They look awesome. The character design is awesome. I mean, I could really see some of these characters really going kind of viral because, anime is huge and Pokemon is huge, and this is kind of just the play on Pokemon, but they're doing it in a fresh new way. Nice character design, and we're actually going to take a look at the actual game because I made an account and I went through the game to see if it was actually, legit, and it looks pretty good. Alright, so let's get into the actual game. What does it look like? So I downloaded the test version. Okay, so I downloaded their app. It's still in development, but I thought it'd be useful to kind of let everyone see where they are in terms of their development. Alright, so when you log in, you're greeted with a reward where, for daily logins, for potions and stuff, and then you're basically shown 3 creatures or 3 PIKAMOONs, and that's basically like your team that you're gonna fight with. And what I did first was I just wanted to see what it looked like, so I just press play, and they offer 2 game modes. There's AI battle and multiplayer. I did AI battle first because that's just fighting a NPC. And then when you get into the actual battle, you're basically gonna have. It was a little confusing at first because I didn't know it was like a team thing. I thought it was just like one Pokemon at a time. But it turns out to be a team, and you load up all your potions that you have. So yeah, you log in, and you're in a typical arena, and I mean, so far this looks pretty good. The graphics are on par with basically like all mobile games that we have today. It kind of does remind you of Pokemon, and they don't have too many characters right now, but they're based on their social media stuff. I think they're gonna make a lot more, and probably different arenas, different equipment, and stuff like that. So as you can see, this is a legit game. It works. It's not something that like they're gonna do in the future. It's actually something they've actually done, and now they're building on top of it. So as you can see, at first I didn't even know you could switch characters. I didn't even know there were other characters. At first I thought it was like one-on-one, but after I died, like my first character died, I realized it was like a team battle. So I think it happens here. Boom, yeah, he hits me with something hard. And then my second character pops up. And I mean, this is pretty like intuitive. This is pretty good. I could see a lot of people playing this, a lot of kids playing this. It's engaging, a lot of color, a lot of stuff going on. And the other reason I like this project is, I don't know if you guys were around back, in 2021, 2022, but gaming was a huge niche in cryptocurrency, and you saw some of the craziest gains on these GameFi tokens like Gala and Axie Infinity. They made some incredible gains, and some of them didn't even have projects. They didn't even have a game. So, I mean, PIKAMOON's already ahead of the game by actually having a product that they could launch in the App Store or wherever, and I'm sure they're looking for other games to kind of put in their metaverse basically. So I mean, this is so far a really really good game. Anyway, that was basically a small snippet of like my experience with the game, and I think this has a lot of potential. And seeing as the cryptocurrency just launched like 2 weeks ago, this has unlimited potential. If you search online, they have tons of influencers that they basically did for marketing. They got like they partnered up with a lot of influencers online, and a lot of them are saying this could be 100x coin. So you put $10 in, it's $1,000. I also like that they have a 50 billion max supply, unlike some other GameFi tokens that have trillions of tokens in circulation. That kind of dilutes the value of it. So yeah, I definitely think this is a project worthwhile keeping in your portfolio. Not financial advice. This is, I'm just some random guy on the internet who likes cryptocurrencies, but this team is very transparent. They're all over social media. They have, X account, YouTube, Instagram, everything, and they're constantly giving out updates, which is always refreshing to see. If you want to check out the game yourself, go ahead and download it. It's on, the Apple Store and the Google Store, so you're able to kind of check it out beforehand, and I think as they keep developing it, it'll become a more and more popular game. So you kind of have like a beta version of what's to come. All right, guys, so that is it for PIKAMOON. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys learned something. If you guys did, leave me a like and a follow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.